Eskuru y'oboroso yabo isike ya Mukumu nigo yabeire kegusiekwa ase chingaki chitamanyikaneti maiga ya abanafunzi babere gosiria obogima bwabo amo nabande chimisano korwara ase oboroire botamanyikaneti. Omoteneneri bwe chisemi ase province ya Western Jared Obiero nigo ateba buna nigo baimokirie getambo kerekio erio koena nari baga gochia ase ababisabo bekiombe kyo gokora obotuki erio koenekia omochakano bw'oboroire obwo. Nigo kagere buna abanafunzi abo nigo babeire bakonywa amacha amagundo ayo atarwariri amo endagera etachekiri n'ababisa bobochenu. Abarayi barogongorwo bakorawa n'omusenete wa Kakamega omusikeboni ya Lwale amo n'omu women rep county ya ULC Muhanda nigo bamotiri obuteneneri bw'eskuru eyo asikeri bateba buna nigo babeire bakorarire egasi nabo igo gotaka baimokerigwe egetambokero n'erichiko.
We would want our children to learn in a safe and clean environment, and we also would not want them to miss their lessons for a long time. And so we've agreed that we are going to suspend learning for some time as we address the key issues that we strongly believe have led us to this.
Task force ifomiwe mara moja, a special task force kuangalia zile shida zenye ziko kwa hii shule, lakini mara moja watoto wote wachukuliwe na wazazi waende nyumbani. Na tunaomba county government, tuko hapa na chief officer, wazazi hawana pesa mingi. Tunaomba ya kwamba wa extend an olive hand hapo kwa hospitali ya Kakamega, wakuwe na ward yenye wazazi hawatalipa watoto wao kutibiwa.
And we want to take this early opportunity to send our heartfelt condolences to the families of these children, and we want to assure them they are in our prayers. The school is going to stand with them. The government is going to stand with them. We will stand with them as their elected leaders so that we make it slightly better to bear the burden.